the Maverick is again required to give some free advice and offer some leadership tips to the beleaguered Jamaica Football Federation. We see where President Mike Ricketts is saying the scheduled game against Catalonia, set for March 30th in Catalonia, is in limbo because of the coronavirus. Mr. Ricketts says he's waiting on the Ministry of Health to give him advice, and he's waiting on this, and he's waiting on that, and he's waiting on the sun to set and the moon to rise. But hear me now, let me take over this situation and inform the JFF president and the members of the national senior team. Let me tell you this game is off. Due obviously to the spread of the COVID-19 strain of the coronavirus. Of course, we know the JFF might lose a little match fee and the money, so they prayed for call off the game. But the Maverick is officially calling off this game because life is bigger than money. The entire world is in near shutdown mode right now because of this virus. It is already in the area of the projected travel of the team. So better safe than sorry, especially with the World Cup qualifiers set for start later this year. So the Catalonia game is now officially off, called off by the Maverick. Mr. Ricketts, you see management and leadership. Yes. Decision made. Yes. Mr. Ricketts, I don't want to hear no grumbling. The match is off. Get back to work. Get back to work.
Sports commentary brought to you by